So in this video, we want to open up our own Revolut Business account. But before we start, really important, you will find my partner link to Revolut down in the video description. And from time to time, they are offering a sign-up bonus. So it's definitely worth checking it out. So once you have clicked on the link down below, you will land on this page. And here you can click on sign up here. And then you can select your country of incorporation. Click continue. And then you can select your legal business type. If you have, for example, an LLC, you can select this. I will select mine and click continue. And now you can create your Revolut account with your email, or you can directly use your Google account or your Apple account. So I will just go ahead and do this. Type in my email. Then you just have to confirm your email. And next you need to check your inbox if you received an email from Revolut. And here it is. I just have to authorize the request. And it will bring you back to the Revolut app where you can just type in your mobile number and then you click continue and confirm. And next they will send you a 6-digit code and you can enter it here. And on the next screen, you have to create a passcode like you would do on your iPhone to unlock your screen. So just think of a number and please don't make it your birth date. And then you just have to type in your first name and last name and your date of birth. And then you just have to search for your home address. So just search for it and then click continue. And next they will ask you for your citizenship. And here you just choose your country of citizenship. And next you can enable push notifications if you want that. And you can allow the app to track you to help Revolut to better tailor your experience. And next you can tell Revolut about your business. Just search for your business legal name. And next you have to type in your register number with the government officials. Just type it in and then click continue. And then you have to type in your tax number and click continue. And next you have to search for your register address of your business. And of course, this can vary from the region you're based in, but in general, the steps are quite the same because every business has a number and every business has like an address and also a tax number. And on the next screen, you have to accept the Revolut bank account terms and conditions, and you can just accept it and continue. And here you can choose if you want to enable Face ID, if you want that. And you can enable push notifications again. And now you are already inside your Revolut account here, but to activate your account, you need to do a couple of steps. First, you need to enter your business address. Then they will ask you for the nature of your business. So for example, you receive payments, you send payments, you make purchases, or you to pay salary, what you will do with your bank account. Then your business details. So for example, they ask you where you pay taxes. And then you just have to type in your tax ID number. And of course, you have to ID yourself. Therefore, click on personal identity. And then you will be connected to someone from the Revolut team or from a service provider from them. And here you just show them your passport or your national ID card. You know this from opening up other bank accounts because this is a common practice. It's called KYC, know your customers. Banks are, of course, required to know their customers, and therefore you just make a call with a person from their service provider, for example. Then you show them your ID or your passport, and then you make a selfie of yourself, and they make a picture of your identity card, and then you are identified by Revolut, and then you can start using your account. Once you have done this, the last step is to choose a plan and card. So just click on this one. And here you have 4 different plans. For example, you have the basic plan for 10 euros a month. I think the equivalent in dollars would be like $12 or $15 per month. And you can have unlimited team members, 10 no-fee local transfers, exchanges up to 1,000 euros at the interbank rate. And you can accept online payments and in-person payments. But of course, this is quite limited, only 10 transfers. You probably need more if you're a business. Therefore, you have the Grow plan, which is 30 euros a month. Here you have 5 no-fee international transfers, which is nice, 100 no-fee local transfers, and you can exchange up to 50,000 euros at the interbank rate. And you get different spending controls, approval controls, so you can manage your team. But it doesn't stop there. You have the scale plan, which is 90 euros per month. And here you have a lot more local transfers and up to 25 international transfers. And you can exchange up to 60,000 euros at the interbank rate. And you get 2 complimentary metal cards, which come with their own benefits. And you can just scroll down because here the plans are more explained in detail. But I will make an extra video about this, about the cost structure of Revolut, because it can be somewhat complicated. And of course, they have an enterprise plan. Here you can upgrade for 750 euros a month. This is probably more for bigger enterprises. But yeah, just go through the plans. If you haven't decided yet, I will make an extra video for you about this. You can see it in the upper right corner or below. But once you have done this, so you need to verify your business address, you need to verify the nature of your business, enter your business details, make the KYC process, so personal identity, so show them your passport or your ID. And last but not least, then you need to choose a plan. And once you have finished all these steps, your Revolut business account is enabled and you can start using it. So I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. You will also find my partner link for Revolut down in the video description. So just click on it and hopefully there will be a sign up bonus currently running in your region. But of course, I can't guarantee this. And if you liked the video, also give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one, maybe a Revolut tutorial or my review about Revolut.